हेलो गाइस, आज की वीडियो के अंदर मैं आपको 3 ऐसे एआई बताऊंगा जिससे आप अपना खुद का यूट्यूब चैनल क्रिएट कर सकते हो। और ये वीडियो भी एक स्क्रिप्ट के थ्रू ही बनाई गई है, ठीक है। और उसका एआई का यूज़ करके इस वीडियो को हमने बनाया है। तो इस वीडियो को भी हमने एआई के साथ बनाया और इस वीडियो के अंदर आपको 3 एआई ऐसे बताए जाएंगे जिसके आप अपना खुद का यूट्यूब चैनल बना सकते हो बिना किसी एक्सटर्नल सोर्स के। तो स्क्रिप्ट भी आप खुद एआई से बनवा सकते हो, वीडियो भी आप खुद एआई से बनवा सकते हो और खुद ऑडियो भी आप उसको एआई से दे सकते हो। तो इस वीडियो को एंड तक देखना, आपको सब समझ में आ जाएगा।
Components that we need to create. First is the script, and then second is the video, and then third is the audio to be included inside the video. So pretty much what I will be teaching you is we will use AI tools that you can use for free, right? That would create these 3 components for us quickly and easily. Okay, so the first tool that I want to share is this one, Chat GPT. So this is an AI tool. In a nutshell, what it does is you give it an instruction like as if you're talking to a real human being, okay, that's gonna be doing work for you, and you just tell that AI bot, this AI bot, on what it needs to write about. So for example, I want a script of 30 seconds, right, about the top 3 dog breeds for families. So let's say I want to create a YouTube channel that's all about dogs, okay, and this is the first topic that I want to create about or create a video about. Okay, so for ChatGPT, it's very easy to sign up. It's actually free at the time of this recording, so make sure to utilize this tool. Okay, and then what I'll do is, okay, we're happy with this one, so I'll just click send, and you would see over here, right, it's like a real person replying back to you, and it's starting to write the script for us. Okay, so are you thinking about getting a dog and wondering which breed might be the best fit for your family? Here are the top 3 dog breeds that are known for being great with families. So talks about the Labrador. Okay, so as you notice, Labrador, Golden Retriever over here, and then for number 3 it's the Bulldog, and there's even like a description about this specific breed on why it's a good fit for families. So that's really cool. Okay, so let's just read number 3. The Bulldog is a calm and patient breed that is great with children. They are known for their friendly and easygoing personality and make great companions for families. Now, the really cool thing about this one is we didn't even had to lift a finger, okay, to write the script or even hire a person to write this for us. So think about it. Right? It can be 30 seconds, it can be 60 seconds, you can even make it longer, right? Just tell ChatGPT on what it needs to do and it will just create it for you. But one of the things as well is you need to check as well on what's being written. It will give you a pretty good head start, right? But there might be some minor changes that you need to fix. Like for example, this one, Labrador Retriever, you could just make it Labrador, right? And then we have the Golden Retriever over here, etc. And then just have a quick read just to make sure that everything looks good, okay? It's cohesive, okay? It's something that you would want to use for your audience. But as seen here, right, it just took me a couple of seconds to create this script from scratch. Okay, so once we're happy with this script, right, you can regenerate response or you can even add more, okay, like add more details to it. You can just request ChatGPT to this for you. But right now, okay, we have our script ready, right? That's for step number 1. Okay, so if you're enjoying this video, like and subscribe for more passive income ideas like this, and then comment as well below on what your video topic is all about. I would love to hear about what your topic is. Okay, so step number 2 is about generating the video. So I have this tool called Pictory. It's also another AI tool. So pretty much in a nutshell, this will create the video for you. All you need to provide is the script. So as you can see over here, right, there's the script to video option where you just paste the script and you guessed it. You're going to be getting your script from ChatGPT, and we will use this script over here to create our video using Pictory. So it's free to get started as well. Okay, so we simply need to paste our script here, and pretty much for links about the tools that we are using, everything is in the description below. So if you use any of the links, I'm going to receive a tiny commission at zero cost to you. And most of the time, you will receive an offer, so it's a win-win for both of us. And the sites that I recommend are the ones that I have personally used and believe in. Okay, so I'll click on proceed over here and I'll start typing in the script. So what I'll do is, let me just copy this over here, right? And let's just paste in our script. Now for the video name, let's say top 3 family dog breeds. Okay, and then what you need to do is to separate this as well. Okay, separate the sentences because this will be important when it comes to the generation of the video so that it would look nice and clean. Okay, so for example over here, right, let's just make some minor changes. The Labrador is intelligent, etc. Right, golden retriever, and then let's just separate the sentences over here. Okay, and then this one as well for the sentence. And the really cool thing with ChatGPT is, if you notice, it also created like the ending of the script as well, just to make it like very clean when it comes from start to finish. Right, you could see over here, overall, any of these breeds would make a great addition to the family. Just be sure to do your research and choose a breed that fits your family's lifestyle and needs. Right, it's very clean. It's like it's written by a human person. But now, let's see what Pictory will do for us, right, once we have this script ready over here. Okay, spell check, it looks good. Okay, now let's go for proceed over here. And let's see, okay, what do we want to use? So there's quite a number of templates that we could use, but really depends to you, right? Let's say we're happy with lemon. I'll just select this, and then we're happy with this ratio. Okay, so I'll just select this as well and click continue. Now, Pictory will start doing its work for me, and it will create like videos, like snippets of videos based on the sentences that we have placed over here. So as you have seen right now, right, all I had was the topic idea. Okay, so I left the dirty work to be done by ChatGPT when it comes to creating the script, and then the same thing as well for Pictory to create the video for me over here. Okay, so let's just have a quick look and have a preview on how it looks. Okay, so you can see, right, this is our first one for scene 2, and here are the top. Okay, let's go for a preview. So what you need to do right now over here is pretty much you can see the preview, right, on what's being shown over here, and you can just check it quickly. So you can see that it added the music as well to the video, and you can just quickly check for each one. Okay, is it the right video? So you can see over here, right, the Labrador looks good over here. Okay, and the next one is the golden retriever. Okay, if you want to change this one, let's say for this specific video, let's go for the visuals, and we can simply check. Let's say, okay, let's look for golden retriever. So it's able to search like different videos for you. Okay, this one looks good and cute over here. So let me just select this, and it will immediately change this as well. So the good thing is Pictory will do the heavy lifting for you, but you can simply change bits and pieces of it if it doesn't match to your liking. Okay, now let's jump over here. Okay, this one, okay, great choice for families and kids, but we really want a golden retriever as well to be coherent, like to be cohesive with the previous statement. So let me just go back here, look for another golden retriever video. Okay, I'm happy with this, and I'll select this as well to be placed on this specific statement. Now let's go back to our story. Now we have the bulldog. Do we have a bulldog here? Okay, now it's still children, so let me change that as well. Let's go back to visuals and let's look for the bulldog. Okay, now let's search for bulldog. Okay, and then let's say, okay, which one do we want? This one looks cute over here, so let me select that. Okay, now let's jump back again to the story. And then there are no to be blah blah blah. Yeah, it's for families as well. So let's go back again. You can even change it. Let's say there's even suggestions, bulldog puppies. So let me just select that. And let's say which one looks good. Okay, not exactly a puppy, but this works for us, right? And then let's go back to the story. And then overall, any of these breeds would make a great addition to the family if you're happy with this. But let's say we want to change this again to dogs, right? Not exactly related to our video, okay, but this one looks good. So it's really easy to just change them if it doesn't fit your video, okay. And okay, just make sure to do your research. So this, they are researching right now, right? Okay, so once we're happy with this, right, we have our story, we have our script, we have our visuals ready, right? And then what we need to do next is our audio. Now the question right now is, how do we create the audio over here? There's this third tool that I want to recommend. Okay, so there's pretty much two options that you can use. Either use a like text to speech tool like this one, Murph AI over here. Okay, it's also free to get started. Or you can simply record your own voice over the video over here. Okay, so pretty much two routes that you could do. So for this one, if you want to take the easier route, then it's simply easier to use an AI tool, okay, to generate the audio for you. Then what we're going to do is simply include this inside the video and you should be done, okay? And what we will do right now is, let's just get the script. Okay, I think I still have it over here, right? Let me just paste this over here and split script by paragraphs as well. Okay, let's just paste this together over here. And we made that change a while ago for the Labrador. Let me just change that over here, and it's the same script as what we have used, right, inside Pictory for our video. Okay, so what you can do as well is you can also test out the different voices inside, okay, inside Murph AI over here. So you can see, right, you want like a male voice over here. You can just test out. But what I did right now was simply selected any voice over here, right, so that we can simply see on what our end result will sound and look like. So for example, let me just play this.
Hi, I'm Ava, the most versatile American voice ever. I can do voiceover.
Okay, so you could just have a quick preview on the different audio clips over here, or the voices that you could use. And then once we're happy, right, we selected Ava over here, and let's just have a quick listen on how this will sound like.
Hi there. Are you thinking about getting a dog and wondering which breed might be the best fit for your family? Here are the top 3 dog breeds that are known for being great with families.
Okay, so it sounds great, right? Once you're happy with this one, we simply click export, and then we'll upload it straight to Pictory in the next step. So once you have created the AI audio, right, by Murph AI over here, okay, we simply need to go to Pictory to be able to add our audio file to the video. So it's simply by going to audio over here, right? And then we simply go to My Uploads, okay? And then for the voiceover, you can simply upload the file over here, which is this file that we have right now. Okay, so I've already uploaded this over here, right? And then after uploading it, we simply need to apply this to the entire video. Okay, so I'll click on that. And the really cool thing with Pictory is it's able to auto sync. So when we say auto sync, because you might be wondering, how would the text inside the video be in sync with the audio, right, on the person speaking over?
सो ये वीडियो सिंक हो रही है और आप इस वीडियो का प्रीव्यू देखना, ठीक है। जस्ट एक नॉर्मल वीडियो आपको आप जैसे इंस्टाग्राम पर देखते होंगे सेम ऐसे आपको वीडियो दिखेगी। इस वीडियो के अंदर हमने इसका पेड वर्जन यूज़ किया हुआ है, जिस फ्री वर्जन है इसलिए इसमें वाटरमार्क आ रहा है। बट आप वीडियो की क्वालिटी देखो और आप वीडियो का ऑटोमेशन सब कुछ ऑटोमेटिक है। तो आप वीडियो को बस आपको थोड़ा बहुत तो काम करना पड़ेगा यार, ऐसा नहीं कि आपको सब कुछ ऑटोमेटेड मिल जाएगा। आपको 15-20% काम करना पड़ेगा, बट 80% हमारा काम ऑटोमेशन से हो रहा है। आपकी स्क्रिप्ट ऑटोमेशन से हो रही है, आपका जो वॉइस ओवर है वो ऑटोमेशन से आ रहा है, और इस वीडियो के बैकग्राउंड में एक वॉइस भी आ रही है, वो भी ऑटोमेटेड है। अब वो सुनना, वो जो वीडियो से वॉइस आ रही है वो सुनना आप।
The bulldog is a calm and patient breed that is great with children. They are known for their friendly and easygoing personality and make great companions for families. Overall, any of these breeds would make a great addition to a family.
सो ये वॉइस आपने सुनी है, ये पूरी AI के थ्रू बनाई गई है, पूरी वीडियो ही AI ने बना दी है। तो अब आपको किस बात की देरी है कि अगर आपको अपना YouTube चैनल बनाना है और आप भी कुछ पैसा कमाना चाह रहे हैं, तो इस वीडियो के थ्रू आप सीख सकते हो कि यार कैसे आप अपना खुद का यूट्यूब चैनल बना सकते हो बिना किसी देरी के। और सब चीज़ें अब AI के थ्रू हो सकती है यार। आपको कोई एक्सटर्नल चीज़ों की जरूरत नहीं पड़ेगी कि आपको स्क्रिप्ट कहाँ से लिखनी है, टाइटल क्या बनाना। बस एक चैनल बनाओ, चैनल पर जो भी जिस चीज़ पे आप रिलेटेड अपना चैनल बनाओगे आप उससे चैनल बनाओ, उस पर फिर अपना कंटेंट चैट GPT पे डाल लो, ठीक है। उसके रिलेटेड वो स्क्रिप्ट लिख देगा, फिर आपको उसको पेस्ट करनी है, और आपको ये सब 3 टूल आपको यूज़ करके अपना वीडियो आपकी 1-2 मिनट के अंदर तैयार हो जानी है, और आप इसको अपलोड करो और पैसे कमाओ।